there, it's Ashley from WTI, and I have been loving this book. It's called Peace is an Offering. It's for younger kids. Around the kindergarten age would be perfect. And I like the size of this book. It's not too big. You can easily throw this in your purse or in a diaper bag and read it to your kid on the go. But what this really teaches kids is that peace is a little bit different for everybody, and it's something that you can notice every day. And so some of the things it says here is that peace is a trip to the beach. Peace is gratitude for simple things. Light through a leaf, a dragonfly's wings. And look how beautiful those colors are. A kiss on the cheek, raindrops and dew, a walk in the park, a bowl of hot stew. And you can see the family here sitting down at the diner. Peace is holding on to another. Peace is the words you say to a brother. So a lot of different scenarios here where we can see peace in our own lives, and it teaches kids what peace is and how that might look different to everybody, but then also how we can see it and we can give somebody else peace in our life. So this is a great book, something that you wouldn't really think about maybe teaching your kids, but it is an important lesson to learn. And that is my point of view.